get that ooh, baby.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I'm about to do a 3-in-1. I'm gonna start with my face. I'm using the Morphine foundation brush with the Juvias Place foundation shade Angola. I'm placing that all over my face. Now I'm going in with my Toofaced, chestnut concealer, born this way, because I was born this way to slay for y'all, you feel me? So I'm placing that underneath my eyes, my T-zone area, just to brighten up, my skin. And I'm going to use my beauty blender just to blend out the concealer under my eyes. I'm gonna make sure it's all blended out real nice and beautiful. So yeah, this is more like a golden undertone, so I'm making sure like my under eye pop. I'm placing it all over my eyelids. Of course I'm gonna blend my forehead, my nose, and all the places that I placed the concealer. So yeah, I'm making sure I'm blending everything nice and smooth. And then I'm gonna go in with my foundation brush just to make sure everything's blended all nice, that there's no harsh lines. I'll make sure everything's blended all together and look all flawless and all blurry and beautiful. So now I'm gonna go in with my Huda Beauty Tan Tour shade Tan as my contour shade, to contour, cream contour like my cheekbones. I gotta make sure my cheek pop, is slayed, is cut right, contour, slayed to the gods, you feel me? So I'm placing it on my forehead, my nose, all the places that I want to be snatched, you feel me? So I'm using like the, of course, Morphine foundation, not foundation, Morphine, like concealer brush. It comes with two sides, like the little, bigger side on the other side just to blend out the concealer, my contour area, and there's thinner side on the other side just to place, the concealer on my nose. I'm just making sure everything's all blended nice and smooth. So I'm going in with my Benefit Cosmetic with my concealer from MAC Cosmetics as well. The MAC Studio Fix concealer full coverage. So I'm using my Benefit pencil, Benefit eyebrow pencil to carve out my eyebrows. So I'm making sure everything is all nice and smooth. I'm tracing it out. And then after that, I'm going to go in with my NW42 concealer from MAC just to make sure, my eyebrow looks all nice and snatched. You feel me? Yeah, so I'm going to carve out my brows with the concealer. Yeah, I know it looked very golden, but I'm going to blend that out after. I'm just making sure my eyebrows look all snatched and neat. You feel me? So yeah, I love this concealer because it's full coverage. It covers everything. It's blendable. It's nice and smooth. So now I'm going to go with my Makeupforever translucent HD powder just to set my concealer. I'm going to set all the places that I put the concealer. The thing I don't like about this powder is it leaves like a white after flash, which I don't like. I feel like I should have just used my Huda Beauty translucent powder shade Cinnamon Bun, because it does give me a lot of color, a lot of cinnamon flavored color, you feel me? But yeah, I'm gonna go in with my new Juvias Place bronzer with my blending brush. I'm gonna use that as my eyeshadow today. I'm gonna use that darker shade just to blend out, my crease, put it all over my eyelids, smoke it out, make it look all nice and neutral. I'm doing it in both eyes just to blend all over my eyelids, looking all pretty. You feel me? I'm going for like a natural soft glam look. So I'm going back in with my deep bronzer from the Juvias Place. I'm using that lighter shade, placing on top of my eyelids. It looked like a burnt orange, just to blend out, so it could look all nice and, smooth and all matte. I didn't want to use no shimmer eyeshadow today because I wanted to, look all nice and smooth. So I'm going in with my deep dark bronzer from the Juvias Place. Of course, is another one that I had got as well. If you guys haven't seen my makeup tutorial about the bronzers, the reviews, make sure y'all check that out. Oh, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, okay? So subscribe if you're new here. Welcome y'all, click on notification bell, all that good stuff, yo, yeah. So I'm using that, I'm using my deep shade just to blend out, the translucent powder, just to bring color back into my skin, because I don't like that my face looks so white. I look like Casper the Friendly Ghost, girl. Next time I'm gonna use my Huda Beauty Cinnamon Bun because I don't know what that was. So I'm using my the darker shade and the deep dark bronzer just to contour my face, all the areas where I put the contour from Huda Beauty. I'm placing that on my cream, so set it so it won't be creasy. But yeah, y'all. So that's what I'm doing right now. I just don't like how the Makeupforever translucent powder in my face look like ashy. So anyways, I'm going in with my Juvias Place blush Duo. I'm using a hot pink color. Putting that right in my cheeks, the apple of my cheeks. Then I'm going in with my Stella highlighter. They don't have this Sephora anymore. They had this like 2 years ago when I used to work on the one on the beach. So I'm placing that blush highlighter on top of my cheekbones so I can, you know, slay and look good and, you know, look glowy for y'all. You feel me? Yeah, so I'm bringing color back into my skin, you know, just to look nice and bright. So now I'm using my MAC liquid lipstick High Drama, the burgundy shade, and I think the red shade is Ruby Roo. It's not Ruby Roo, but it's almost like a Ruby Roo, but it's liquid lipstick. It's not like the regular matte lipstick. Yeah. Effect, you feel me? So yeah, I'm tracing it out, put it on my lip, look all nice and pretty. So you know me, I love me some matte lipstick. It's been a minute since I've been wearing like bold, bright, you know, red colors in my lips. I'm always doing all these neutral colors and these glosses, but yeah. Anyways, let's go get to the hair. So right now I'm using the I'm gonna use my new synthetic wig that I bought from my local beauty supply store. It's the Beyond brand. Yeah, Beyond Your Imagination. I think that's the brand name. It says Sister Wig. It's 40-inch long. You feel me? So yeah, I'm about to use my edge control to like slay down my hair since my hair is already braided. I'm not gonna use the cap method because I don't got time for that. That's too much blow drying. Slay that night. I don't got time for that. I'm just gonna slay it back, do it easy, quick and easy. Cause these caps be giving me a headache, so I'm just gonna slay it all over my braids, like on my edges. So my, you know, my little curly little naps won't come through the wig. So I gotta make sure it's laid down and lay down to the gods. You feel me, girl? Making sure everything's all secure and slick back. After I took the wig out, I had used castor oil to oil down my scalp. So yeah, I'm gonna use my argan oil leave-in conditioner just to spray it because I did wear it like for 2 days. You know, it got a little nappy. You know, with synthetic hair, you gotta be careful because you know these things get nappy real quick. So you gotta make sure you treat it real nice. I'm gonna use my white tooth comb just to comb it out just a little bit. You know, I don't want to comb it out too much. Never use like the white people comb brush because it will make it nappy easier, like fast. So I always use the white tooth comb just so, you know, just comb it out just a little bit. So I'm gonna place it on my head. You know, I measured it out. Make sure it's not too tight. It came with edges, y'all. I really love this wig. It came with edges. I can't wait to glue it down tomorrow when I wear it for work. So, you know, so I can play with my edges and hook it up with the mousse. But yeah, it's crimp to tip, 40-inch long wig. It's real nice. I really love it. They have the HD lace. It's by lace. You feel me? So I'm playing with the little edges, you know, just to put it out right now. I'm not gonna put mousse or nothing on. I'm just gonna leave it out just for the video for y'all to see. Yeah, so that's my wig, y'all. Look how long that thing is. That thing is all the way to my booty. Okay, it's past my booty cheeks. 40-inch. I ain't never had no 40-inch. I had a 30-inch, but not no 40-inch. This thing really long. You know me, my ghetto long wigs, girl. You know I got a slave for y'all for this tutorial and this trial haul. So yeah. Like I said, make sure you guys subscribe. Don't forget to click that red button. So let's get into this trial haul. So the first outfit is, y'all, you know, this some cute outfit. Fashionova. You know, I got my clothes from Fashionova. This is the date night fit mini dress size large. Of course, Fashionova, like I said, is white. It's very stretchable. I feel like I should have got a medium because I'm like, damn. It felt like it was a little bit big. It wasn't all as fitted like how I usually like my dresses. But it was okay, you know. I like the material. It's cotton. I like the way it feels against my skin. It's soft. It's like soft cotton. I don't know. It feels like butter. Let me show you the back of the dress. You know, plain Jane white. You know, I don't really wear white like that. You know, Memorial Day, something with not wear white or wear white. I don't know, but it's cute. You know, whatever. Got the little strings on the bottom. If you want to adjust the dress, it look real nice. You know, you got a slay when you go out to a dinner. Wear it with some nice cute heels, you know, looking all pretty. Or wear it to like a nice all-white party. So yeah, let's get into the next outfit. The next dress is Feel Your Beast Punch maxi dress, size medium. Damn, I feel like, I don't know if I'm losing weight or they making these dresses bigger sizes. This medium feel like a large. I should have got a small or extra large. I mean, an extra small, so it could fit a little bit more tighter. Because, you know, I like my dress to be all slayed and fitted. You feel me? So it's like a regular black maxi dress, you know. cotton material, of course. Spaghetti strap. It don't have no adjustments on it. It's just like a regular strap. You feel me? You still can see my bra, but it's okay. This is something like, you know, everyday, not, I won't say everyday type of dress, like you wear it to the beach, walk around, you know, the strip on South Beach with your friend, or just like a regular plain black dress you just got in your closet. So yeah, let me back up so you guys see how long is it. It's not that long, but it's long as by my ankles. But it's still cute, you know. It feels comfortable. I just wish I would have got a smaller size. You feel me? Let me show y'all, you know, the side, the back of the dress is like, you know, regular. It showed my back just a little bit. Yeah, you gotta make sure you wear, you know, nice, good undergarments with this, you know, dress. So yeah, let's get into the next outfit. The next two-piece is this tennis court set, size large. Y'all, I really like this tennis court set. Like, I love it. It's green. It's like olive green. It feels real good. You know, I love me some cotton on my skin. You know, that's why I'm all lit. I'm dancing right now because, you know, I know how to act. This is the back. It comes with a hoodie. It's very stretchable. I like how the leg part is like fitted. We'll pair this with some nice black boots. Not some heels. I mean, you can dress it up with heels if you want, but like regular black boots, you know, to wear, you know, going out or go to the park. This is the pants, the waist of the pants. It's high-waisted a little bit from the string. Yeah, it's not that long. The shirt part, I mean the jacket part is not that long. It's long sleeve, you know, it's comfortable. Got the 2 black stripes on the outfit. You feel me? You know, got to show off my watch. That's the collar. Got the string, the tie, you know, pull it in to make it tighter. Let me fix my chain so y'all can see how fly I'm looking. Okay. So yeah, it's very stretchable. You just got to make sure you wear, like I said, good undergarments, because it does shows like a lot of my prints, which I just noticed. I'm like, wow. Yeah, it shows a lot of my print. But anyways, so it's very comfortable. It's fitted, of course. You know, I'm getting late. I can wear this to the park, tennis court, all type of stuff. You feel me? So on to the next. The next piece jumpsuit is size medium. It's Get Into the Groove jumpsuit, of course. Get into the groove. Bell bottoms, you know me. I love me some bell bottoms. I feel like I'm back in the 70s. This is the back of the jumpsuit. You know, got the little X cross. It show my back a lot. You know, ignore the bra because I gotta wear the bra. You know, my boobs is real big. I need that support for this, you know, try-on haul. Yeah, like I said, all of my clothes is cotton. It's comfortable. The bottom is fitted, which I really love. The top is not as fitted because, you know, it's a little bit loose. You know, because this, you know, show a lot of my skin. I probably wear this to a 70s party or a little, you know, club, looking all cute. You know, I like the style of it, of course. Yeah, I'll probably wear this with my platform heels that I got. Look at me shaking my butt, y'all. I'm a trick. So yeah, that's the back. This jumpsuit remind me of Selena. You know, Selena Billy Bitty Bamba. When she had that purple jumpsuit. I guess that's the inspiration of this jumpsuit. I guess Fashionova just did something like her jumpsuit from back in the day. But yeah, I like the bottoms of it. It should have been purple instead of blue, but anyway, it's still cute though. I'm gonna show y'all the back of the jumpsuit again. Is deep cut, so you guys can see, like, you know, a little bit parts of my boobs in the front. You definitely gotta wear a bra. If you don't want to show your back, just wear a nice jacket because it does, you know, show your bra. So on to the last jumpsuit. The last one is size medium. It's Get Into the Groove tie-dye jumpsuit. The same, it's just tie-dye. You know, stretchable. This one fits a little bit, yeah, because this is a medium. This one fits a little bit tighter, but not as tight. It's more fitted. This is the back. The back is the same as the blue jumpsuit. You know, I love the material. Like I always say, I love how soft it is. You know, I can shake my little booty. I'm gonna wear my platforms with some nice heels. You know, wear it to the club or look cute. Or my man wearing this jumpsuit or go to a party with this. You know, looking all nice and, you know, whatnot. Yeah, y'all, it's pretty. Like, I like the back. I mean, with this, I just gotta I would say wear some pasties, but yeah, I need a support. So I think I'll probably wear a jean jacket with this outfit, something that looks really nice with it. Just so I can wear my bra. But yeah, this is the part. This is the front. Of course, it's deep cut. Let me adjust my breasts. You know, it'd be moving too much. But yeah, so let me back up so you can see the full jumpsuit again. Look at all nice. Okay, look at my long weave, girl. I'm loving this crinkle wig. It looks real good with all the outfits. It looks real nice. So yeah, I want y'all to take a good look, you know, take a good look. If you guys want to purchase these outfits or, you know, these cute little items, make sure you guys click the notification. Of course, click notification, but click on the description down below. So you guys could click the link on Fashionova because they have a lot of sale going on right now. So yeah, they got this Memorial Weekend sale, like 40, 70% off, 50% off. Like, just check it out, y'all. I gotta show the back of the outfit again. Look at me shaking my butt. My weave is just all the way down there. But yeah, y'all, so y'all guys, like I said, want to buy this outfit, Fashionova. They got a sale going on. And my skin look real nice, y'all. Looking all real pretty. Hey, so make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Thank y'all for joining my, you know, not joining. Thank y'all for, you know, watching my 3-in-1 videos. If you guys want to see more of my 3-in-1 videos, just comment down below. You know, let me know and tell me which outfit is your favorite. And yeah, see y'all next time. Bye.